Masterclass with Leo. Today we are doing inverse Laplace and we are solving questions. Inverse Laplace. Previous two videos we did inverse Laplace transform as well. Introduction to it, simple basic questions. So today we are doing not difficult, just a bit complex questions. So in this case, they are looking for the inverse Laplace of 5 over s squared plus 2s minus 3. Right? They want you to evaluate this or determine the inverse Laplace of this. So in this case, what is the first thing? If you look at this, you can't factorize the denominator. If you can't factorize the denominator, then you go for completing the square method, right? You use the completing the square method if you can't factorize it. So let's do that. In this case, I have Laplace inverse of 5 over s squared plus 2s plus into 2 over 2 squared minus 3 minus into 2 over 2 squared. Mathematically, you can see that I've done nothing because this and this, they will cancel and give us 0. Then Laplace inverse of 5 over s squared plus 2s plus 1 minus 3 minus 1, right? And then this will be Laplace inverse of 5. Let me just do this. Of 5 over, I can now factorize this, which will be s plus 1 squared, right? And then minus s plus 1 squared minus 4. Right? And then when I look at this, let's see. Okay, now let's see. This will be Laplace inverse of 5 over s plus 1 squared minus 2 squared. Right? Now, I want to make sure that my gamma is equal to 2. This is 2. This must also be 2. Right? So this will be now Laplace inverse of, if I say 5 over 2 into 2, divide by s plus 1 squared minus 2 squared. Let me just make sure that this is okay. Now mathematically I've done nothing because if I cancel 2 and 2, I'm still left with 5 over s plus 1 bracket squared minus 2 squared. So now this will be 5 over 2 Laplace inverse of 2 over s plus 1 squared minus 2 squared. Right? Now when I look at this, when I look at that, it's similar to what I have right now. So this will be 5 over 2 e to the power minus t, right? Hyperbolic sine of 2t. That is my solution. When I say Laplace inverse of 5 over s squared plus 2s minus 3, my solution will be 5 over 2 e to the power negative t hyperbolic sine of 2t. Right? Now let's go to the next question. We're given the next question, which is Laplace inverse of 4s minus 3 divided by s squared minus 4s minus 5. Right? So in this case, I cannot factorize this. It's difficult for me to factorize this. Therefore, I can use what? Completing the square method. This will be Laplace inverse of 4s minus 3 divided by s squared minus 4s plus into 4 over 2 squared minus 5 minus into 4 over 2 squared. Right? Then Looking at my denominator, okay, for now let's not touch the denominator. Let's deal with let's not touch the numerator. Let's deal with the denominator. I don't know what's happening with me. Sorry for that. This will be 4s minus 3 divided by s squared minus 4s plus 4 minus 5 minus 4. Sorry for that. A Laplace inverse of 4s minus 3 divided by, I can now factorize this, which will be s minus 2 squared minus 9, right? And then Laplace inverse of 4s minus 3 over s minus 2 squared minus 3 squared. Right? Now, I want to make sure that this bracket, this s minus 2 is also s minus 2 on top. I need s minus 2 on top, right? So how do I do that? I'll say Laplace inverse of, if I say 4 into s minus 2, right? If I say 4 multiplied by this, it's giving me 4s. If I say 4 multiplied by negative 2, it's giving me negative 8. Now, how do I make sure that after this, I can come back to that? I can now say negative 8. If I say negative 8 plus 5, this gives me negative 3. So it means here I must also add positive 5. Divide by s minus 2 squared minus 3 squared, right? And then it is that I can now split the two. Because of this positive sign, I can split them into 4 into s minus 2 divided by s minus 2 squared minus 3 squared. This is Laplace inverse of that, right? Plus the Laplace inverse of 5 over into s minus 2 squared minus 3 squared, right? And then this one will be 4 Laplace inverse of s minus 2 over s minus 2 squared minus 3 squared, right? While this one I can deal with it, it's giving me what? If you look at this, plus Laplace inverse of 5 over, I need to make sure that this and this are the same. My numerator is also 3. So for me to do that, I'll say Laplace inverse of 5 over 3 into 3 divide s minus 2 squared minus 3 squared, right? And then this will be 4, let me just do that, 4, if I look at this, it's similar to that, 4 e to the power 2t hyperbolic cos of 3t plus, and this one will be 5 over 3 e to the power 2t. This will be hyperbolic sine of 3t. That is my solution. I hope it's visible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the content with your friends. See you in the next video. Tango means thank you. Tango!